In this video tutorial, I will show you how I create this kinetic text effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, create a text layer, then merge the layer with the background by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Shift-T. With the layer selected, click on Filter, then apply Filter Gallery. This will pop up a panel. On the top right side, click on Distort, then select Glass for the texture. I provided a PSD file in the description. Now click on Load Texture, then open that PSD file. From here, you can adjust distortion level, smoothness and scaling, or you can copy my settings. After getting your desired output, then click on OK. Now we need to duplicate this layer for 3 times, and after that, double click on the top layer and uncheck the green and blue channels like this. You need to do this for next 2 layers by enabling red and blue respectively. Now click on the top layer, then apply Filter Gallery. You have to do for all 3 layers to achieve this RGB look, and we are pretty much done. If you found this useful, make sure to watch the tutorial that you can see on the screen, and don't forget to check out my graphic assets in the description. Bye.